Heyo, it's me, Harper Savage, and today I thought we could work on this garden stone I got from Five Below a while back. It's actually kind of a forgotten project that I found while I was organizing our studio. So I'm gonna go grab my silicone mat and then we can see what's in the box. Got a protective layer down. Let's go ahead and open this box. Comes with a paintbrush, 3 colors, and the garden stone. Let's hope it's not broken. If sharp objects make you nervous, don't look. You looked! Oh wait, this way, this way. What is this? What is this? What is this for? It's foam. Oh good, they glued it directly on. Wow, it's a lot cuter than I thought it would be for some reason. So I have my doubts about this paint, I'm not gonna lie. Get out of here. So I do have some backup paint because for one, there's only 3 colors here. Let's flip it over and see how they work on the back before I make any rash decisions, because it's a garden stone, this part's going to be in the garden. So I guess I don't really care. I'm sure that yellow is transparent. Oh god. It's not that bad, I guess. Maybe I was mistaken. But there's not enough colors here for me, so I'm gonna grab some more. So as it turns out, I don't really have that many colors here, so I just grabbed a couple. Nothing special. We got a white, because you always need white. Got a more vibrant red. And a really pale yellow. I might just mix white into that yellow, though. We'll see. And I couldn't decide between brown and cool gray for the, like, frames and door structure here, making sure that's all dry before I turn it over. So I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna be using these colors today, but it seems once you open it, you can't close it. Jesus. So let's start painting, I guess. I did not think about where I was gonna be putting the paint. This actually does have wells in it. I'm just not sure how acrylic is going to react to the built-in wells on this, so we'll find out together. Hopefully it'll just peel off once it dries. See, now that is beautiful. I'm just gonna go over the whole thing and not really care about the spots for right now. Try to get a nice even coat on. Also, I realize I'm not being very creative by making a red and white mushroom, okay? I only have so much brain juice in a day. I can tell this is gonna need at least 2 coats. No, I got some on the other layer. This paintbrush is actually not bad. I was expecting this to be like a low quality kit here because it came from Five Below. I guess I underestimated them. I don't know why, because I usually like their kits, except for their paint. Their paint is kind of questionable sometimes. I guess I'll just paint over them since I painted over the majority of them. Okay, for the stock, I'm gonna use this lemon yellow color. Just to make it, like, not white. I'm probably gonna add white to that too, actually. That came out just solid yellow. I thought I was gonna be a bit more pastel than that. Don't know why I thought a color called lemon yellow would be pastel, but here we are. Don't mind me just awkwardly mixing over. Oh, it doesn't have to be awkward. Hold on. There we go. Gonna be a little awkward. That pastel enough? Am I gonna have to make a whole nother batch if I don't mix enough? Probably. Squidge some more white into the— oh, geez, maybe that was too much. It's fine. We'll work with it. And you see? Get out of here. Oh, I should have made the top pink. Not too late. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to mix more of this. Gotta make sure we get rid of, like, the globs. Move them out. Let's come back to this red. Let's make it pink. Make it like a little pastel. Now, pastel is not actually my thing, but after I saw that yellow, I'm like, everything needs to be pastel. There goes all of that white tube. Probably not gonna be the kind of pastel pink I was hoping for. It's gonna be like a— more like a red. Color's not bad. It's definitely not as pastel as I was hoping, though. Just rip off a couple layers there. Jesus, calm down. I wish I had some glow-in-the-dark paint. That'd be cool to, like, paint the spots glow-in-the-dark. And a frame. Alright, I'm gonna slap a couple more layers down and we'll be back. Maybe I do want to use this blue. After all. So am I just going with the original color palette, just pastel? Maybe. What's your point? Let's see if we can even get this blue to cover up the yellow. I have a feeling it's not going to. Yeah, it's not doing a good job. Very transparent. So maybe we will do the gray. Maybe we'll mix a little bit of the blue into it. Is there enough room to mix in there? First question, isn't it? Uh-oh. Have I made a mistake? Guess we'll see when we use the palette knife. Gonna explode everywhere. Maybe I'll just plop it out onto the palette. Oh, it kind of turned a purpley color. Not really like super blue anymore. Can you see that? Yeah, grayish purple color. Don't want to waste any. When did I get so far down on the screen? Was I always this far down? I don't know. Get out of there. I guess I'm not that worried about painting over the window there. Always touch it up. Even though yellow is a difficult color to paint over things. I'm kind of scared to even try those windows. Maybe I should get a smaller brush. Am I about to make this difficult on myself? I think so. I should really just get a smaller brush, but here we are. Why does that window look better than that window? No, I ruined it. I'm crying. I got marks everywhere. My hand's all sparkly. How did this happen? I don't love this color combo I've done here. And there's marks all over the yellow. I don't know how to save this. Maybe if I just paint white over everything. Oh boy, it's gonna be a long night, isn't it? It's getting all over the windows. I need to stop touching this because it's just gonna get more and more worse. I'm gonna have to touch it up over and over again. I'm gonna make a decision here where it could ruin everything. I think I'm going to do the outer edges in this black. Wish me luck. Remember all that glitter I had on my hands earlier? It was because I was testing stuff out on the back of the garden stone here. And I think I figured out what I'm going to do with the spots. And I'm going to make them chrome. Because I don't have glow in the dark. Really wish I did. So I'm going to do that now. If you're wondering where the side view went, the camera died. Because I kept it rolling during one of the breaks by mistake. So now the battery's charging. Don't have side view anymore. Well, this was working better on the back. I'm gonna hope I can maybe go in with a second coat. You can't see how streaky it is, but I can from the angle I'm at. But from past experience, this chrome marker can't go back over itself, but we'll try. I feel like it's still not special enough. I'm gonna regret this. It makes it look more lit up inside. I'm trying very hard to not pump because it will explode everywhere. This freaking hair, get off of me. Jesus. Do we pump a little? Oh no, that's too much. Look what you did. What did I just say about pumping it? What if we added some of our own spots to it so it's not just the raised ones? Am I gonna hate this? Am I gonna regret everything? Perhaps. You know what I didn't think about? This sitting out in the sun. Is this chrome gonna be safe out in the sun? Too late now. Why is it giving me ladybug vibes now that there's more spots? A little weird, right? Okay, it's not too exciting of a reveal this time, but here we go. Boop. Kind of a slow boop because I don't want to drop it. There is a little bit of glitter here that just wipes off. And it's because I flipped it over to use all the leftover paint on the back of it. I'll show it to you real quick, but it's ugly. I was just trying to use up what was left of the paint so it wouldn't go to waste. And I think I'm supposed to kind of like seal up the whole thing. I'm not sure how it works, but... And I went to go varnish it, but I saw that the chrome kind of got dull after I had flipped it over, so I redid the chrome. So I think instead I'm going to seal it with some kind of like spray can of sealer instead of painting it on because I'm worried it's just going to spread everywhere. So I think actually the paintbrush was pretty good. It's just the handle was a little cheap. And the paints itself, I didn't have any issues with the red or the yellow, but the blue, for some reason, even though I mixed it into a better quality paint, it kept like healing itself back up, especially in the door. So I don't know what that was about. I think my color choices are a little bit boring, but I honestly don't have that many paints here. All of my paints are in the studio, so I was just working with what I had. Hopefully I'll be able to get a little bit of B-roll for you guys of it outside, probably in the ground or in the garden or something. Hopefully it's playing right now. If not, I'm sorry, I didn't have time. Again, this was just like a Five Below kit, so if you have it, let me know. And how did you paint your mushroom, if you did? But that's going to be it from me today. If you guys want to check out another kit video, you can go ahead and tap the thumbnail here. If you want to catch up on anything you missed, you can go ahead and tap the thumbnail here. Oh, there. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to do all the cool YouTube things of comment, liking, subscribing, and turning on the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.